Adobe has just released its new AI video generator to the public. Take a look at these examples. So in this video, we're going to explore this tool. We're going to look at the features, pricing, limitations, the image to video, text to video, and a lot more. So if you're ready, click the link in the description and let's get to the video. So in order to use Adobe Firefly AI video generator, we're going to go over to firefly.adobe.com, and on here, first sign up and create an account. Once you've logged in, you'll see this top right, you'll see this profile icon. This means that you're logged in. Now they have these complimentary credits, and I cannot see where they are, but there's just complimentary credits when you sign up for an account. It's very low. You can just generate like a few videos, probably like 2 videos in it, and some images, 8 or 10 images, and that's it. And then it's going to prompt you to upgrade the account. It doesn't have free credits per month. It's just a one-time complimentary credits, and that's it. Now over here, you can click on this image, this drop down, and then you can switch to the video. And then just put a prompt here and generate it. But what we're going to do is click on this on the bottom for video. And you're going to find these 2 options. The first one is text to video. Inside this, you can give it a prompt and it's going to generate a video out of it. This is same as this. You can just describe the video you want to generate and generate it. The second one is image to video. This is where you need to give it an image and it's going to generate a video and animate that image. They also have first frame and end frame inside it, so you can use the keyframes as well. So what we're going to do is first, let's click on text to video, go inside it, and over here, you can check out their demo video. On the left hand side, you can set the settings. So these are general settings. You cannot change the model. It will stay as Firefly video, which is in beta. You can select the aspect ratio. You can make it portrait for short or widescreen. There's frames per second, so it's 24 FPS. And below it, we got camera, so you can change the camera settings. And I like the close-up shot inside it. For camera angle, eye level shot. And below it, we got motion. So how do you want the generated video to look like? Would it be handheld, static, tilt up, tilt down, that way? And you can hover on these to get a preview of them. I like the handheld version because this makes it look more authentic and it looks like the person is holding a camera and it's recording the video. That's what it looks like in the generated video that way. And in advanced settings, we got seed. I am not sure what it does, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. And on the right hand side, you can enter a prompt. You just give it a prompt and it's going to generate that video. So what I did was, because they don't have an prompt generator inside this, so what I did was I go to ChatGPT and I asked it to write a text to video prompt for a random topic, keep it short. So it gave us this. I just copied it from here and went back to Adobe Firefly. And inside this, in the prompt section, I pasted this. Once you're done with this, click on generate button over here. And it's going to start generating the video. Once you click on generate, it's going to give you this on the top with a circular progress bar. And once done, you'll be able to see the video. So I'm just going to take you direct into my generation history. I already have generated a video out of it. This was the generated video out of just the prompt. And I took this with ChatGPT. Okay, that looks good. And I also generated some images using the text to image section inside Adobe Firefly. And this was the result. Now for image to video, just go inside this. You can also go inside text to video, doesn't matter. Just go inside this and you'll be able to see this frame on the left of this prompt, which is where you need to put the image. So if you're not sure what image you want to put in, you can just take the prompt from here, go inside the Firefly's this text to image, go inside here, put a prompt. On the left hand side, choose the settings, the content type. I like to keep it auto, model, keep it image 3, and fast mode, keep it on. Aspect ratio, I'm going to select widescreen. And for composition, you can select from the gallery you've got all of this composition. So if you want to make that image that you generate look like any of these images over here, you want that composition to be exactly like this, you can select it from here. It's going to act as a reference. And then there is style. So you can choose the visual style, strength here. You can choose what type of style you would like for that AI art to look like. This way, you can browse the gallery, you can make it look like a vector art and all this. Then, so you've got the effects as well next. That generated art can have painting style on it, hyper realistic, layered paper, and a lot more. There is also color and tone selected from here, lighting, and the camera angle. Now in the prompt, I typed in this, same thing that I used for text to video, and it's going to generate as this for images that I showed you. Now I went back to the video section and inside this, the image to video. And as I go inside this, I can now enter in the first frame. Just drag and drop that image over to the first frame, click on I agree, and it's going to get entered in this section. And now all you have to do is just put the prompt again on the right hand side and click on generate. And this was the result. Take a look at it. Now this has some artifacts on the top. It doesn't look that good, but that is it. And now if you want to download this, you can click on this on the top, this download button. It's going to get downloaded to your computer. Now I'm going to switch my account because I have exhausted the limit of this account. So I'm going to switch it from here. So in this account, I went to video, and in the generation history, you will be able to look at this. So what I did was I choose two of these images that I generated with the help of text to image inside Firefly. These were the two images, and I downloaded them from the text to image section. I just put the first frame and the end frame. So it's going to act as a keyframes. And the first frame is going to be the first frame, and in between it's going to animate that 4 seconds. And the last frame is going to put it at the end. In the prompt section, I just took the prompts that I used to generate the images. So I went back to ChatGPT, and these were the two prompts I used. So I said random topic, and then I said now he's exploring it. So just took these two prompts, put them together, and just typed it here and click on generate, and this was the result of it. That middle part looks quite good, this one, but as we go over, this doesn't look that good, but the middle part was good. Till the part it was animating, it was good. And now I've switched again because I want one more to show, and that account has exhausted the limits. I will click on video, image to video, go over to my generations. This was one I generated with text to video. So I took that same prompt that I used with this Lone Explorer prompt, and I put it inside this for the text to video, and this was the result. It kind of looks creepy. I'm going to show you. It just pops out like that. It kind of looks creepy, but this looks really good in terms of the quality. Now, I also generated one more. So we go inside this and go over to the first one. This was with the image to video. So I put the first frame here, this first frame that I got from text to image, and I just took this, put it in the first frame, choose the same prompt, generated it, and this was the result. This looks much better than the first and end frame version that I showed you before. Okay, that looks good. And if you want to download this or the other one, just click on this download button on the top and download it to your computer. So how are you going to use this tool? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions regarding this tool, let me know as well. And I will make sure to help solve your problem. And if you want to see more AI tutorials, I have a playlist that will pop up on either right or left. You can click on it and check out my other videos. See you there.